Hi, this is Chris Tojeira from Pentech. This presentation is on Pentech's Talon recording systems. Talon recording systems are real-time signal recorders. They leverage Pentech's line of data acquisition modules to provide the industry's fastest real-time recording systems, supporting sustained recording rates as high as 12.5 gigabytes per second. They offer storage capacities up to 256 terabytes, which allows multiple channels of extremely high bandwidth signals to be captured for hours. Simply put, these are the fastest real-time recording systems in the world. Talon recorders are delivered as a complete instrument with a graphical user interface that provides an excellent out-of-the-box experience. Much like an oscilloscope, a spectrum analyzer, or any other piece of test and measurement equipment, engineers simply plug their signals in, click a couple of buttons, and can immediately analyze and record data. Pentech's data acquisition boards include A to D converters that range in sample rate from 200 MHz all the way up to 6.4 GHz, supporting a wide range of signal bandwidth acquisition. Talon recorders support all of these modules, as well as a set of digital front ends that include serial FPDP, 10, 40, and 100 gigabit Ethernet. Most Talon recorders offer playback to allow engineers to reproduce the RF signals captured by the recorder. This is particularly important to engineers that are developing a piece of deployable RF equipment. It allows them to capture the RF environment in a deployed Talon RF recorder and bring that environment back to the lab. There, they can reproduce that RF environment to test the equipment they're developing. This helps them to greatly reduce their development time and risk by having that field RF environment always available in the lab. Talon RF signal recorders offer multi-channel phase coherent signal acquisition. This is commonly required in many of the applications that our customers are involved in. Our recorders are loaded with features consistent with the requirements of an RF engineer. ArchiTek is an FPGA development environment for Talon recorders. It allows engineers to add real-time custom digital signal processing to the recorder. Real-time signal viewing and analysis, GPS time and position tracking, and pulsed radar gated recording are just a few of the other features available. A user API provides a software library that allows engineers to create their own custom user interface. This is commonly used when Talon recorders are deployed in UAVs, aircraft pods, naval ships, or other environments where the standard graphical user interface simply isn't practical. While many Talon recorders are deployed, even more are used in a laboratory environment as a valuable piece of test and measurement equipment. Much like an oscilloscope or spectrum analyzer, a Talon real-time signal recorder is used to capture and analyze the RF signals generated by radar, communication systems, and signal intelligence equipment. It serves as an invaluable tool for engineers that are developing these systems. It provides a simple, easy-to-use interface that helps to reduce development time, cost, and risks by providing immediate access to recorded data. The System Flow GUI provides an intuitive point-and-click interface that is easy to understand and doesn't require any training. Configuration and record screens allow engineers to select their frequency and bandwidth of interest and begin recording with a click of a button. The GUI allows engineers to save their configurations as profiles to allow them to switch between setups with great simplicity. The System Flow Signal Viewer gives engineers the ability to look at signals plugged into the system prior to, during, and after a recording. It has a built-in virtual oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, and spectrogram display. It measures signal characteristics such as peak detected frequency and amplitude, the amplitude of signal harmonics, total harmonic distortion, and SINAD. This all comes as part of the Talon recorder, making it the most valuable tool an RF engineer can have. Talon recorders are offered in several different form factors to bring the same functionality in the lab out into the field. With the ability to capture extremely wide bandwidth signals, Talon recorders are commonly used as part of SIGINT and ELINT systems. They are often deployed in ground vehicles, on ships, in manned aircrafts, and in UAVs. Most deployed systems either require autonomous operation or a custom control panel. The System Flow API allows engineers to develop any interface they desire by providing a set of C-callable libraries for their application. A gigabit Ethernet link comes standard with every Talon recorder, allowing it to be controlled from a remote computer. This allows the recorder to be installed in places where an operator cannot be present, like aircraft pods or equipment bays. This chart outlines Talon's available form factors. Each column represents a Talon series. Some are designed for the laboratory and others the field. System features and specifications are listed in rows, and each series strengths are highlighted. There's also a row for popularity to show which series are most commonly sold. All Talon recorder form factors come with removable data drives, allowing all non-volatile storage to be removed quickly. Note that the Talon RTR Portable, RTR Rack Mount, and the RTX Small form factor are the most popular series. Let's see why. Talon RTR rugged portable recorders offer an integrated keyboard, monitor, and mouse in a small briefcase-style chassis, making them ideal for moving between operating environments. They offer 122 terabytes of solid-state storage and can sustain real-time recording rates up to 4 gigabytes per second. The RTR Portable is an ideal package for a piece of test and measurement equipment, but can also be used in deployed environments where an operator is present. The package is rugged enough to handle a significant amount of vibration, and it's easy to transport from one environment to the next. Talon RTR rugged rack mount recorders offer the fastest record rates to disk, making them one of Talon's most popular form factors. They come in a rack mount chassis, which can be installed in a 19-inch standard rack or simply lie on a laboratory desktop. They offer a large amount of removable storage and can sustain real-time recording rates up to 12.5 gigabytes per second. Talon RTX small form factor recorders are the most rugged series in the Talon product line. They are optimized for size, weight, and power and are tested to a wide range of military environmental specifications. The Talon RTX series can sustain real-time record rates to 4 gigabytes per second and offer up to 61 terabytes of solid-state storage in the form of a removable quick pack. Its sealed enclosure uses conduction cooling to allow it to operate in a wide range of temperatures while protecting the system electronics from the harshest environments. It is ideal for deployment in aircraft pods, UAVs, military vehicles, and ships. This chart lists all of Talon's RF-IF signal recorders. The columns show the A to D converter that front-ends each system, increasing in signal acquisition bandwidth from left to right. The rows show the Talon series, increasing in ruggedization from top to bottom. This next chart lists all of Talon's digital signal recording systems. The columns show the digital interface that front-ends each system with an increasing interface speed from left to right. The rows show the Talon series, increasing in ruggedization from top to bottom. Talon signal recorders are front-ended with A to D converters that allow engineers to sample signals up to a certain RF frequency. This is often coupled with an RF down converter, bringing frequencies outside the sample rate range to an IF that the recorder can handle. These RF down converters are either purchased or designed by engineers to work in conjunction with their Talon recorder. Sentinel recorders include a third-party RF down converter to provide a complete integrated solution capable of capturing signals anywhere in the RF spectrum. Sentinel not only integrates control of the tuner into the System Flow software package, but includes enhanced software tools for spectral scanning and signal detection. This complete solution is ideal for engineers that are interested in signal detection or for those that simply require a complete solution from RF to disk. Sentinel products include tuning frequencies up to 26 GHz with bandwidths as high as 500 MHz. Future products will include tuning frequencies to 40 GHz with record bandwidths of 1 GHz. This summer, Pentec released the Talon RTR 2757 100 gigabit Ethernet recorder. Designed for capturing digitized signals from Pentec's Quartz RFSoc optical interface, the 2757 offers sustained real-time record rates of 12.5 gigabytes per second. It provides up to 122 terabytes of solid-state storage in an industrial-grade RTR chassis made for laboratory or deployed environments. The Quartz RFSoc uses two 100 gigabit Ethernet interfaces to stream digitized data from its 8 A to D channels. It divides these channels symmetrically across two interfaces, providing 4 A to D channels on each optical port. The RTR 2757 can handle a single 100 gigabit Ethernet stream at the full data rate, capturing up to 4 A to D streams from the Quartz RFSoc. Two RTR 2757s can be combined to capture all 8 A to D streams from the Quartz RFSoc. Each optical port streams 4 A to D channels to an RTR 2757. This results in a real-time aggregate recording rate of 25 gigabytes per second. The recently released Talon RTR 2742 offers the widest bandwidth signal acquisition available in a Talon recorder. It uses a 6.4 GHz A to D to capture signal bandwidths up to 2.4 GHz. It is capable of capturing L-band in its entirety without the use of an RF down converter. Its 6.4 GHz D to A provides the ability to play back signals with up to 1.2 GHz of bandwidth. It includes integrated digital down converters and digital up converters for selectable bandwidths and comes with up to 122 terabytes of removable solid-state data storage. Packaged in a 4U industrial-grade server chassis, the RTR 2742 comes complete with system flow recording software and API. For years, engineers have developed FPGA IP on Pentec data acquisition boards, adding valuable real-time digital signal processing to their system. Serving as instruments, Talon recorders have lacked the flexibility to allow real-time signal processing while recording. ArchiTek combines the flexibility of our FPGA development tools with the ease of use of our Talon recorders to offer a customizable recording instrument. It provides a simple development environment that allows engineers to easily add digital signal processing to their Talon recorder. ArchiTek provides example FPGA projects, system flow library extensions, and Navigator BSP examples to demonstrate the process of adding and controlling custom FPGA IP. It works in conjunction with Xilinx's Vivado Design Suite and Pentec's Navigator FDK and BSP to provide a straightforward path towards adding real-time digital signal processing to a Talon recorder. ArchiTek is available as an add-on to most Talon recorders. Pentec's website serves as the primary location for information on Talon recording systems. There you can find the Talon Recording Systems catalog, along with a product specification matrix and product selector tools. Links are available to white papers, videos, FAQs, and quote request forms. A Talon simulator can be downloaded from the website where engineers can run the system flow recording software on their own PC. This provides the experience of operating a Talon recorder prior to purchasing any hardware. Product pages are available for every model shown in this presentation and include datasheets and operating manuals for every Talon recorder. Please visit our website at www.pentec.com for more information.